Haka khidmat kebansa jingkan mau haka history jong ke jela Meghalaya. Ya ka jingtih dewiong ke bakat kum ke juk jing stad saian ne scientific mining. Las dang pentrikam nyngkong haka jela hasarengkam coal mine bendi hati East Jingtih Hills District. Ya ke bala plie ba da menteri rang ba ke jela Conrad ke sangma lingba ka video conferencing. Kani ke jingtih dewiong lengba ke juk stad saian kala penkut no ya ke jingtih dewiong thliew khnai kabala syak khang persya haka NGT nadu kini ki palat shipos nem baladem. Hakani ke program layadon lang ki menteri sorkar ki bakuntup yau ba kermen Syllad ka MLA ke sutengah saipung ke kong Santa Mary Syllad u executive member Jingtih Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC u ba Hambertus nong tudu deputy commissioner East Jingtih Hills District u Shivansh Awasthi u superintendent of police ka district u Giri Prasan nalor ki weipar ki nong syak khot ngobha bat ki pat ba nong shong shnong kathan. U Chief Minister haba ajingkran haka jingalang ula ai khuble ya baro ki badan bentah haka ni kakam ka bakuntup ya ki officer ki try par ki nong apply na ka bentah ka kam ti dewyong u try ka par dewyong uba dap man Syllad na bindi hati ki bala no sniang ban pen urlong ya kani ka kam ti dewyong lengba ka juk saian haka jela da ka bapen pawru bagi ni ki chipau khatwei snam ki bala leit no ki dei ki snam ki bala wan ra ya ka jing ka bakraw ya ki nong shong shnong ka jela khamtam ya ki to ki badan bentah haka kam ti dewyong bat ka bala ta jur shisha haka liang ka kamai ka ji bat ka yo ka kon. U Conrad ula pen kermauru baha usnam arjar khat pra haka por ba ula shimti ku menteri rang ba haka sin ka beningkong banyalam ya ka sorkar MDA ka mat ka baya dei bat ka kamti dewyong ka dei ka ba hakmat jong ka sorkar bat lingba ka jingtih shitom hakini ki hindriu nyo snam baladem menta kini ki lalong ki basaiso lingba ka jing sedang ya ka scientific mining coal block ka beningkong haka jela Meghalaya. Ka jingyai lenti kamsham lalong ka basuk ka jingyai lenti kamsham lalong ru ka basai haka jing shisha ka long kum ka jingyai haka jaka ka ba omla bantip ya ki jing ki banwan hakmat jongi kat bang idang ya shakmat ka ka balapan long bangin beteng banjam shakmat ka long ban yoi bagi jing ki baki briu jongi ki ya kendu ni dei banwan ki lat ki lenti ban weng bat penbeit no ki bat banwan ra ya ki jing long jing man ka ban biang na ka benta ki briu bat ki nong shong shnong ki jongi bat kani ka dei ka bala ai mensim bangin ya shakmat ulaong. Nalor kata ula ong ru baki sin jam ki ban pentik na baki weipat ki ba apply ban yo jingbet haka kamti dewyong kat kum kene ka juk saian kalayai chakman. Ka long barabor ka bakalain bat jinga kendu jing na ka benta ki to ki ban nyngkong ba ar ne ki balai namar ki ha ban yai haka linti ka bakim pat juman. Kim tip satyai ki jing ki balak ban mi kensan bat ka balak ban penslam ya kani ka sin jam. Henry mentala don ki balayai chakmat bat sakhi ya ki baro. Mentakan long ke bakham pensuk na ke benta ki weipat ki babut nadien bakin jam syakman namar la dep ban kedolenti na ke benta jongki kilala ban plie lenti bat pen iya ki weipat ba kane ke dei ke bangi hap ban bot ya ki kendon ong Conrad syu ula ong ru ba ka Meghalaya kalamat ya ki babun ki jing kata nalor ka phang ke baya dei bat ke teknologi ngi don ru ya ki hok halor ka kendo ka syap bat ki an bat kendo ki baya pher na ki weipat ki benta jongkari bat kum taru ki don bun ki kendon ki jing ba pher ki balami ka bala penlong yang i bangin shimpor ban pen urlong ya kani ka kamti dewyong. Nakaliang ka MLA ka sutengah saipung ka kong Santa Mary Syllad ha ka jingkren kala ai khuble ya menteri rang ba ka jela. Namar hapo ka jingalam ka jong u balala ban pen urlong ya kani ka kamti dewyong. Lingba ka juk stad saian hapo ka jela bat pen pawru ka jingkermen ba ka jingpho sni ban pen urlong ya ka thong jong ka yok ka kot ka ban kenjo sya ka $10 billion hapo jong usnam arjar ahupra hapo ka jingalam ka jong u kiwe ki bala ajing keren hakani ke program ki kentup yau MDC ka JHADC uba Hambertus nong tudu deputy commissioner ka East Jingtih Hills District u Shivansh Awasthi bat MLA barim ka Kli Riat uba Justin Dekhar.
Today, almost after a decade of the coal mining being banned in the state of Meghalaya, we have finally inaugurated the first scientific coal mine in the state. And this is truly a historic day and a red letter day for the people of the state. As we all know, for a decade, the different individuals and families who had been dependent directly or indirectly on coal mining had suffered in the last 10 years because of the ban on coal mining. But today, with the efforts that have been made by the state government and the support that we got from the central government, we have been able to lift that ban and also start the first scientific coal mine in the state. So I wish the coal miners the very best. I encourage other miners also to please apply for the official mining license, and all the support will be given from the state government. And at the same time, we are working very hard to see how our traditional miners and small time miners could also be supported. We understand that there are limitations, but our efforts are on to engage with Government of India to see and find ways in which even the small miners will soon be able to start their mining. But in the meantime, we will move ahead with this particular scientific mining that we started. And once again, as I said, it's a historic day and a day that is going to be remembered, that the first scientific coal mine was inaugurated today in the state. Thank you very much.